Today I'm going to be replacing the driver's side control arm on this 2007 Hyundai Tucson. As you can see, right here is the lift point towards the front of the vehicle where you jack it up. I've got a 21 millimeter socket to remove these lug nuts. Got a jack under it right there for safety. Next, we need to go ahead and remove this cotter pin. This bolt is 17 millimeters. I thought I'd break that loose and then hammer it out the rest of the way on camera, but it just popped right out. So I did hammer on it for a while, but finally it broke out and it just popped right out. So just hammer it right there. So now we've got two more bolts that hold this control arm on. This on the inside is 17 millimeter. On the outside here is 18 millimeter. This bolt right here is a 22 millimeter. Here's the part number for the new control arm. All right, I got all these bolts started back up and everything lined up, so now it's ready to just tighten everything down. All right, all that's left to do is torque these down to about 90 foot-pounds. So we're all done. Thanks for watching. God bless.